Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we are going to make a very interesting recipe, that is Amla candy. Amla is Indian gooseberry. Earlier I had made one batch, I am showing you now. So whenever you feel like having something slight sweet, sour, just to refresh your mouth or after a meal. Sometimes people have some travel sickness, even then you can just pop one into your mouth. It tastes simply superb. You can store it for months together outside and use it throughout the year. So for this I have taken 500 grams of this Indian gooseberry or amla. Just cut it into wedges like this and discarded the seeds. Next I am going to steam these amlas. I have some water here in this kadai. We'll just steam it till they become slightly soft. See, the amla has become slightly soft now. We can switch it off. Always make sure that there is sufficient water in the vessel for steaming. Now we will allow this to cool a bit. And then we are going to mix jaggery powder. I am not going to use any white sugar. We are going to make a healthy amla candy. So for 500 grams of amla, by weight you need 350 grams of jaggery powder. Or if you are taking by volume, I had 2 measures of this chopped amla. I am taking 1.5 measures of jaggery powder. Now the amla has cooled down well. We'll just add this jaggery powder to it. I have already measured out the quantity. Cover it with a plate. Now leave it aside, just leave it on a countertop. We'll see how to proceed with the process. Now next day, that is overnight, we have left it to soak in this jaggery. Next day, see how it has given out the liquid like this. Just strain it out totally. When it has drained out completely, just spread it out on a plate like this. Just spread it out and we leave it out in the sun to dry for about 3 days. Now this liquid, that is this jaggery liquid in which we have got the amla essence also, don't throw it, you need not waste it. Store it in a bottle and keep it in the fridge. Whenever you want, you can just take about 2 or 3 tablespoons of this syrup, add some water, and I like to squeeze a little bit of lemon juice also in it and have it as a lovely refreshing drink. This is also known as amla honey. So we can leave this aside to be stored for future use. All this we leave outside in the sun to dry. You can slightly thicken this syrup on the gas by heating for a few minutes. Let it cool down and then store it in the fridge. It is 3 days now. Our amla pieces have dried very well. You can hear the sound. Now you have to just take it and store it in a dry jar. Whenever you want, maybe after a meal or any time of the day, in fact, you can just pop a few pieces into your mouth and you will have that lovely, sweety, slightly tangy feeling of this amla, which is very nutritious too. There's no need to refrigerate, you can just keep it outside and it stays good for months together. So whenever you have amlas in season, you can make them like this and store. People of all ages, small children, adults, elderly, everybody will enjoy this. So your healthy amla candy made with jaggery powder is now ready to use. Thank you for watching the video. We'll meet again with another interesting video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and don't forget to tap the bell icon for notification about my latest updates. Thank you.